I saw. I'm about to record something. I'll be right with you. It's Monday morning. Let's get this week started. Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. While she airs up, I climb in the back and see how much water's in the trailer. We had that storm Friday night and last night. I bet the inside of my trailer looks like a swimming pool. Oh yeah. Should have brought my trunks. Day number 5 of the heat wave. Another 98-degree day. Today and tomorrow, then we're done. It's gonna cool down and have rain all week. That's it. I'll take one for the team. I'm gonna drop her down, get in position to get loaded, and start this week off. Wow, it is swampy out here. Holy cow. Only 7 o'clock in the morning. Just dumped out a load of mixed X. The stupid light pops out. It's not the first time either. Gonna get loaded with a load of screen loom. Forget it. I'm not gonna say it. You might call it topsoil where you're from. Okay, I couldn't help myself. This dust is like talcum powder. Like literally. Don't matter how slow you drive through here, it just kicks up, gets on everything. See that? It's called mud. You keep your tires out of it. No matter what, avoid the mud. That's what I think anyways. And if you're watching this, you probably do too. Pretty excited. Just bought a plane ticket to the Big Iron Classic in Casson, Minnesota, September 9th and 10th. I've been wanting to get to that truck show for years. One of my best friends, Ed Torvin, him and I met at the Bud Meyer Truck Lines back in 92. He's been trying to get me to go there for years, and now I'm heading out that way. So, you see this mug in Casson, and you're like, is that the Boston Trucker? Yeah, it's me. I'll be there. Yeah. I was on my mandatory 30. Yeah, we're gonna get one of those. Wasting valuable time on company time. You know what Brian Lyons always says? Wasting valuable milliseconds on company time. Bring this load of gravel back to the yard. Just finished preloading for the day. Old Teddy's pulling in. He's gonna load himself up and we're gonna scoot on out of here. 4 o'clock. 15 yards. Usually we deliver 25 yards of gravel for a full load, 30 if it's loom. Up this hill and back her down behind me. Getting out of here is the problem. Gonna bang a left right there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. They pay me the big bucks. This guy right here, his name is Brian. He's the operator here. Best operator we ever had in the yard here. He's watering down the yard so when my engine fan kicks on, it doesn't kick all the dust on my truck. That guy's awesome, man. Gets along with everybody, just gets it. Very hard to find people like that. We're gonna dump this load of gravel, get a load of mix, hopefully be parked before the storms come in around 4 o'clock. That's my goal. I'm trying to keep that left door closed and that rubber band wound tight. Thanks, Brian. He messed up though. He just called me sir. Oh, don't call me sir. There we go. I was just on the phone with Frank Peavy down in Macon, Georgia. I came from that direction, heading this way. I said, Frank, I'm heading towards some rain clouds. And it got me. Just started to rain. Thought I was gonna make it back. I really don't want to wash today. Let's see, I don't know, the roads are getting wet. Rain's not supposed to be here for 2 hours either. It's coming early. What's up with that, Mother Nature? Staying just ahead of it. Barely. I'm running for my life here. I made it. Just a little dirty. Beat the weather. It's those little victories that make life so sweet. Just a little bit of a wipe down, should be good to go. In fact, it's gonna downpour in a couple hours. Mother Nature probably do that for me. This guy's looking at me like, who's he talking to? Making a video over here, buddy. You're on YouTube. The Boston Trucker. Hit that subscribe button. Oh, sure glad I hauled some ass. Heck yeah. Heck to the yeah. We're just gonna idle back in a little spot here and we're gonna go home. Nothing else to do now. Yard's in good shape. Hit it again tomorrow. Gonna go get my rain covers, the stacks. Blue skies over there. April showers in August. Poor Teddy, he had to go make another run. He didn't have to. Now his truck's gonna get dirty. He could have parked it, by the way. He's such an overachiever. Someday I'm gonna be just like him. I'm trying to live up to it, but it's hard. Rush hour. Pretty brutal out here in the country.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like
Uploading a YouTube video right now. My latest one. Before this one, of course. 0% uploaded. So what happens if you try to upload them without the internet and you're on the road. I need some refreshments. A little run down this morning. Need to pick me up. I was telling, yeah, I know they're bad for me. I know. And they don't even work, I don't think, but in my head they work. I was just telling a guy, he said good morning as I walked in the store. He said, you know, when I was in London, England last month, everybody says good morning and hello, how are you? It really throws you. So I said, I appreciate that. We're gonna get back trucking, and we just started 20 minutes ago. Already stopping, not making any time. Gonna have to make up for it, put that hammer down, keep that left door closed. First we're gonna open the left door though to keep her closed. I cleaned my interior last night, and my seat is extra slippery. It almost just slid right off the thing. Getting settled, putting everything away. All right. My foot just slid right off the clutch. Walked on that grass coming over here. Foot's wet. All right, materials yard is a little slow right now, so we're gonna go to PJ Keating and get a few loads of 3/4 stone. Start stocking up the bin here at the gravel pit until the yard picks up. We could use about 6 to 8 loads. Teddy's doing it. He's ahead of me. Two brothers, twins, great guys. truck 70 for 3/4 stone.
You want channel 14 for M drive, over.
Inbound MP Cardillo, truck 70 for 3/4 stone.
Outstanding. set, Mr. Paul.
You gotta watch when you drive under this belt right here. Little pieces of cement wetness fall from the sky and splatter your truck. And when it gets on the side of your trailer, it stains it. So I try to get under it pretty quickly. And then this side of the road's wet. If you go under it, you're kicking up wet cement. This side right now is dry, so I come in this way, I'm going out that way. As long as there's nobody coming
So
towards
you
me.
think you want another one over there? Or should I just stockpile this one?
Here comes the operator now.
No, it definitely needs it back here. Marty, Cardillo es cross. That means you want to get.
That's okay, I'm not in a hurry. Thank you, though.
No problem, Mike. Far away, man.
I can move. You want to move? I can move.
Yeah, let's come a little closer. I'll probably run out of fuel before I get there. You're all set, thank you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
How you doing, nice Tom? Thanks, guys. Yeah, Cardillo, you're welcome. Have a great day.
You too, buddy. Thank you.
I'm starting to roll in here now.
Show you how insane I am. So, water temperature's at 200. I don't want the engine fan to kick in. But I find the one wet spot in the yard, the pit here. And I put my engine fan on while I go close my door. Engine fan can kick on all it want now in the wet spot because it's not going to kick up any dust. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? I don't know if that makes sense to anybody. When I get back in the truck, the water temperature will be nice and low. I'll pull out of here, no dust. You gotta think. These are the dumb little things I think about all day long. See? Find the wet spot, put the engine fan on, let it cool down. Well, I'm gonna load her up with the excavator, load number 3 today. So far we're not too busy today. We're gonna use the 308 Komatsu excavator. I've never used this one before. We usually use a 228. So this one's exponentially bigger. Bigger bucket, bigger tracks. The cabs are basically the same though. Track is much wider than the 228 that we're used to using. Never used this one before. Yeah, it's basically the same thing inside. I like to get comfortable. Turn the throttle up. Husky. Not really an operator, as you can probably tell. A lot less buckets. I think I usually put in about 19 to 20 buckets. This was around 15, I believe. And you get a bigger bucket, faster loading. I do like the big tracks. It's higher up to jump though. Alright, let's do another one. Let's turn and burn. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my Scania shirt today. I ran out of my uniform shirt. Somebody didn't do laundry. On our way to the sand pit to get a load of septic sand for a job site. Had to stop and use the restroom, if you must know. Oh, change of plans. I don't need sand anymore. Turn around and go get a load of gravel. I'm gonna turn around right here at the little truck stop here in Leominster. I forget what this truck stop used to be called. Mike's truck stop or something. Magic Mike's, Mr. Mike's back in the day. Now it's Old Town. Old Town, which I believe is owned by Global. These are nice trucks parked over here today. Peterbilt, Freightliner Classic. The large car over there, just back then. Seen him the other day. Almost the end of the week here. Teddy just finished fuel and I'm gonna get fuel. We're both gonna dump out our gravel. This four-wheeler is gonna park right in front of me probably. Of course. Now we're gonna get out of here. I don't even think I got enough footage for a video this week. Phone chargers, clean the floor, clean the dashboard, say goodbye. What did I do this week? I feel like I didn't do anything. I think I just went back and forth. I posted a good YouTube video. See that one with the old truck pictures from back in the day, 1986? You didn't see it? Really? Oh, did you see the Misty Big Rig video? No? What are you guys doing? So yeah, we're going to Martha's Vineyard tomorrow. You gotta take a boat to get there. That'll be fun. I've been there once. Never was there a place that I feel more out of place than Martha's Vineyard. Alright, we got the floor clean, the dash clean, windows clean. Truck is kind of clean. It's gonna rain Monday and Tuesday. That's what they say. I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching as usual. Hit that subscribe button. All that good stuff. Share, like. Go back and watch some of my old videos. Some of them are pretty decent. The production's horrible, but